Welcome to Outgrow. We help convert every website visitor into a qualified lead. No sales calls required. Today, we're showing you how B2B agencies are using Outgrow's interactive tools to do exactly that. Once you're inside Outgrow, your dashboard gives you access to a full suite of content types. For B2B agencies, let's start with a lead generation quiz. You can build from scratch, choose a pre-built template, or even create your own quiz using AI assistance. Simply prompt the AI with something like, create a quiz that helps users' decision-making style. Within seconds, Outgrow's AI will generate a complete interactive draft, including relevant, audience-focused questions, personalized outcomes tailored to user responses. Remember, AI provides a strong starting point, but the real customization happens inside Outgrow. Once you're satisfied with the draft, ask AI to save it. You'll then see two options: preview. View the pre-made quiz via the preview link. Click the edit link to open the Outgrow builder, where you can refine and personalize the experience. On the welcome screen, add a compelling headline. Write a short, engaging description. Outgrow supports multiple answer formats: multi-select, single select, drop-down, and more, so you can design an experience that feels native to your brand. Here's where the real power kicks in: outcome mapping. For every answer a visitor selects, you map it to a specific result, whether that's a buyer persona, a readiness level, or a tailored service recommendation. This is how you deliver personalization at scale. At the end of the quiz, you can add a heading description and attach a direct CTA button. Every response becomes an entry point into your pipeline. Now, let's build something that speaks directly to a B2B buyer's bottom line, an ROI calculator. Add your questions, such as the total number of visitors, time period for analysis, desired actions, and the total number of conversions. And at last, add outcomes. Then use Outgrow's formula builder to define your calculations. Instantly, your prospects can see the tangible value of working with you in their own numbers. Gate the results behind a lead capture form, and you've got a tool that qualifies and converts in a single interaction. Customize fonts, colors, and layouts to match your brand identity. When you're ready, hit publish, then share via link or embed it directly on your website. That's all it takes. Stop letting traffic leave without converting. Start building your first quiz or calculator with Outgrow today and turn every website visit into a qualified opportunity. Create an interactive experience.